it has been pretty hot lately, but now we're getting a little tiny bit of relief today.
We set record high temperatures last week. Generally, those records were right around 91 degrees. We broke records of 89 or so. We'll struggle to get to 80 degrees today.
Okay.
So, yes, it's finally cooling down. It's obviously because of the clouds, but it's also because a cold front's coming through, and it's going to bring in some cooler air behind the front on actually a gusty northeasterly wind that'll get started later this afternoon. Winds out of the northwest a little bit this afternoon. I wanted to show you this. That right there is a pretty decent shower that's offshore. You can see the end of it right there. That's kind of like the southwestern side of it. But that's going to be trying to push towards the coast here in the next 45 minutes or so. 72 degrees right now, 66 degrees in Clearwater. Sun was up at 7:11, 7:12 this morning, down at 7:52 this evening. There's the radar. I have not been showing you much of this at all lately, but we've got scattered showers. That's the cell I was just showing you offshore right there. But look at the scattered light rain that's moving through parts of Pasco, parts of obviously Hernando right now. It's kind of exiting the Spring Hill area now, but that'll be covering I-75 in Pasco and Hernando. You can see especially Hernando. But yeah, so at least light rain coming through. We had some decent downpours through northern parts of Pinellas and northwestern Hillsborough this morning. Didn't last long. And then we have some light showers moving through Fishhawk area, a little south of there as well too. And even into Manatee and Sarasota County. Look at Duet. That's a little good downpour crossing Highway 62. I think it'll get down towards Myakka Head as well. The bigger picture is showing those showers that are just offshore now of southern Sarasota, Venice. You're going to get that. That's actually a pretty decent looking downpour. Could actually hear some rumbles of thunder, but see how it's filling in here? This is our weather over the next 2 to 3 hours. So scattered showers through about 1 o'clock, and then the better chance for rain will be along I-4 and southward after that. We'll actually see some clearing, but we'll see a drier afternoon. Temps, we were struggling with some data this morning, but most areas upper 60s to low 70s. Forecast model, let's take it out through about 10 o'clock. You can see how it's showing those showers filling in. But then after that, it kind of moves them through Sarasota and Manatee County. And by 1 o'clock, most of the rain is south of I-4. And then after that, we only have an isolated shower, especially for the Tampa area. Most areas will actually dry out. Now, let's jump ahead to tomorrow because the afternoon winds will pick up today out of the northeast. That's the front coming through. That's going to drag some moisture our way tomorrow. This is at 10 in the morning, but notice how it pushes across our areas. We move through midday and into the afternoon hours. Plus, it's gusty in the 20s, at least for some of the winds. It's going to be even windier over on the East Coast. So they've got coastal flood watches for areas over there. And that's from the water coming up from the ocean. But you can see Monday evening, we still have scattered showers for us here. So that's really good news. In fact, I went 50% rain chance, a little less as we get into Monday night, and then Tuesday looks to be basically dry with just a sprinkle chance left over. 78 for a high temperature for today. How about that? Upper 70s to near 80. Boating forecast is going to be bumpy. Northeast winds 10 to 20 knots. Again, northwest now, but they'll pick up and turn to the northeast later today. 81 in the water. Tonight's planner, cooler. Mid-60s for most areas. Yeah, 7, 8 degrees cooler than where we are right now. And then you can see tomorrow afternoon we're going to go 78 degrees. Remember, we've got that better chance for showers, especially in the afternoon hours. Let me show you the rain coverage here. This is today. This is tomorrow. Isolated on Tuesday. I think Wednesday is basically dry, but Thursday is our next chance for rain. And because of all of this in the area, the front going down towards the Keys, we're going to stay cooler this week. Upper 70s to about 81 today. Very similar low 80s Monday and Tuesday, slightly warmer Wednesday, and then Thursday I think we're still only going to be in the low to mid 80s, warmer by next weekend.